Welcome to my channel www.youtube.com/best purchase pro 814. Today we will discuss 10 best hair set straightener with buying guides and reviews. Set straightening, curling or creating waves, having access to an efficient tool make a significant difference in quick, efficient hair dressing. Locating ideal hair straightener can make all the difference in creating sleek and manageable locks. 10 top rated straightener explicitly designed to cater to different hair types and preferences so our user achieve their desired style efficiently and swiftly. Before moving on the top 10 list, subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends. Number 1. Remington Shine Therapy 1-inch Hair Straightener Iron infused with argan oil and keratin. Features these have been designed for professional and personal use, making them accessible and appealing to everyone. Many models features an integral comb to assist with detangling hair while straightening. Number 2, G2 Flat Iron Straightener for a smooth finish. Features smooth hair straightener, feature dual voltage capabilities for international travel. The straightener provide an efficient styling tools, eliminating multiple tools for your morning routine and streamlining it. Many brands provide educational material on proper usage and styling tips. Number 3, Original Ceramic flat iron for a smooth finish ceramic floating plate. Features straighteners offer various an outlet to express themselves creativity throughout various styling techniques. Many models boast eye-catching and modern design that make them highly appeal to. Sealants can help seal in moisture to ward off dryness and promote a healthier hair growth. Number 4, Crystalline is 3-in-1 titanium flat iron hair straightener curling iron. It features survivable cord model offer quick and effortless movement for optimal styling. Result high quality models can withstand repeated usage without experiencing performance degradations. Over time, offer user a quick and convenient means of quick refreshing their locks throughout the day as necessary. Number 5, Hair Straightener Brush Demurring Hair Straightener Comb Straightening Brush for Women. Features This tool provide ample versatility to craft sleek and textured styling easily. Specific model features wider plates to speed up the styling process for thicker locks. These products can help save time when styling damp hair for styling purpose. Number 6, Tymo Cordless Hair Straightener Brush Porta Eco Portable Straightening Brush for hair for travel. Features Some models features digital display for precise temperature setting and monitoring. The straightener offer a versatile tool to achieve daily wearable style of hair styling that suit your precisely. Many high-end solutions provide additional peace of mind to users. Number 7, Babyliss Pro Nano, a titanium flat iron hair straightener, one digital hair straightener. Features These tools are compact and easily stored, occupying a minimal room in drawers. A user can now achieve salon-grade result from home without incurring costs along with it. The straightener are designed with beginning in mind and provide easy accessibility even to novice users. Number 8, Tymo Hair Straightener Brush Upgraded Iconic um, Ionic plus straightening brush with dense bristles. A featured cordless solution offer maximum mobility and convenience when used, including when traveling. Straighteners feature safety feature like automatic stuff off can bring added peace of mind. These products effectively control unruly or curly locks, making them more straightforward to manage. Number 9. Remington Wet 2 State Hair Straightener Flat Iron features specific models come equipped with sophisticated heat distribution technologies for efficient styling and even heat distribution across styling needs. These brushes provide effective freeze control to create smooth and shining locks for use. Number 10. Crystalline is hair 3-in-1 ceramic flat iron hair straightener for straightening. Features they enable quick styling, saving valuable time for daily activities or special events. Many models feature customizable temperature settings that offer more excellent heat regulation options. High grade plates heat evenly to reduce hair damage during styling. Now we are going to share some customers' feedbacks and reviews. You can see screenshots on the screen which are helpful to you to choose the good one according to your needs and requirements. Thanks for watching. Join us on our official website www.bestpurchasepro.com/hair straighteners. Join us on other social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. Subscribe www.youtube.com/@bestpurchasepro.